Hi everyone, it's me Charmaine. Today, gagawa tayo ng chocolate hotcake with Choco yema spread. So, ang mga sangkap na ating gagamitin para sa ating Choco yema spread ay chocolate condensed creamer, butter, egg yolks, vanilla extract. So first, sa ating pan, i-mix muna natin ang chocolate condensed creamer at egg yolk before we turn the heat on to medium heat and stir it constantly until it thickens. Kapag thick na siya, i-add na natin ang butter and mix well. After mixing the butter, turn the heat off and add the vanilla extract. And then set it aside. And now, for the chocolate hotcake, we are going to need flour, cocoa powder, egg, oil, baking powder, salt, and water. First, i-mix natin ang dry ingredients, the flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, and salt. After mixing, i-add na natin ang egg, oil, and water. Mix well until it's smooth and no lumps. So, I put a small amount of oil on our pan to make sure our hotcake won't stick. Once all our hotcakes are cooked, ready na ito i-assemble with our Choco yema spread. So, ito na ang ating chocolate hotcake with Choco yema spread. Sobrang sarap po nito. So, thank you for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Bye!